Welcome to the Quiz Arena. Today, we're diving into the world of Squid Game Season 2. Get ready for heart-stopping challenges, shocking twists, and all things Squid Game. Can you handle the pressure? Let's find out as we test your knowledge on the most intense season yet. How many years have passed since Season 1? What game haven't played in Squid Game? How many players were eliminated? Headed red light, green light. Said he had to kill whom? What is this character's nickname? Frontman is also pair number. What shape is not on the guard, as marked in Squid Game? Players participate in Squid Game. In what country is Squid Game set? Why did player 456 come back? Which player was a YouTuber before joining Squid Game? Who is this? What is the total prize amount? $45.6 billion. What number does this player have? How are Hang Jinho and Frontman related? Which player is transgender? Which family member does Young Sik encounter? What number does this player have? Which of the shapes worn by the workers represents the highest level T? Thanos is played by a former K-pop idol. What is his name? Who is this? Who is player 01? What number does this player have? Wrap on today's Squid Game quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more challenges.